Adding the SQL Server service user to the perform value maintenance tasks right. In this section, I will be showing how to add the perform value maintenance tasks right instant file initialization, as we called it before, that's what it is, to the SQL Server service user on a Windows Server 2019 domain controller. This process is very similar to what you will do on a computer that is not a domain controller. The exception here is that the perform value maintenance tasks right for the SQL Server service user does not need to be created on every machine where you install SQL Server, as the right spreads at the domain level, but you do need to specify the user on each machine or service for every SQL installation. Please follow these steps. First, we're going to go into Administrative Tools, Local Security Policy, and as a hint, you can invoke that by typing secpol.msc on the run command. We're going to expand Local Policies, User Rights Assignment, then add SQL Server Service User to the Perform Value Maintenance tasks. We click the Add a User or Group, and we'll just type SQL Admin. Then we click OK. And we're done.